Sending a clip to Adobe After Effects. If you are working with a computer that also has Adobe After Effects installed, you can easily send clips back and forth between Premiere Pro and After Effects. Thanks to the close relationship between the two applications, you can seamlessly integrate the two applications more easily than with any other editing platform. This is a useful way to significantly extend the effects capabilities of your editing workflow. Open the sequence AE Dynamic link and scrub through the sequence to familiarize yourself with the content. This sequence has several drone shots of the Valley of Fire State Park in Nevada, with an opening title placed above the second clip. The title would benefit from the advanced text animation features offered by After Effects. Right-click the title and choose Replace with After Effects Composition. If it is not running already, After Effects launches. If the After Effects Save As dialog box appears, enter a name and location for the After Effects project. Name the project Lesson 12-01 and save it to a new folder inside the Lessons folder. Clips become layers in After Effects compositions to make it easier to work with advanced controls in the timeline panel. There are lots of ways to apply effects with After Effects. To keep things simple, let's work with animation presets. These are similar to effect presets in Premiere Pro. The composition should be open in the timeline panel already. If not, look for it in the After Effects project panel and double-click to load it. It should be called Lesson 12 Working Linked Comp 01. The number may be higher if you have tried this workflow before. There is just one layer called Nevada Desert. The layer contains the text that you will work on next. Double-click the Nevada Desert layer under the source name heading to open it in a new timeline panel. Locate the Effects and Presets panel. You can find this in the window menu if it is not on screen already. Click the disclosure triangle to expand the Animation Presets category. If the category is not displayed, check that it is enabled in the Effects and Presets panel menu. Animation presets in After Effects use standard built-in effects to achieve impressive results. Expand the text category and then the Animate in group. You may need to resize the panel a little to read the full preset names. Make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the composition. Drag the Decoder Fade In preset onto the Nevada Desert layer in the timeline panel. Press the spacebar to play the animation. A cool animated effect as the text appears. The green line at the top of the timeline panel indicates After Effects created a temporary preview. Only playback of the highlighted section of the timeline is likely to be smooth. This looks great, but it is hard to know what the effect looks like against the desert background. Switch back to Premiere Pro to check. In Premiere Pro, the title has been replaced with the dynamically linked After Effects composition you just created. The new animation plays right away in Premiere Pro. Any changes made in After Effects appear automatically in Premiere Pro. Switch back to After Effects and choose File Save, then quit After Effects. The frames are processed in the background and handed off from After Effects to Premiere Pro. Preview your sequence in Premiere Pro. To improve preview playback performance, you can select the clip in the timeline and choose Sequence, Render Effects In to Out. You are not limited to sending single clips from Premiere Pro into new After Effects projects. If an After Effects project is already open when you send a clip, the clip will be added as a new composition to the existing project, rather than needing a new project. You can also select multiple clips to send to After Effects in a single step, making it easier to check compositions and set up more complex animated compositions.